In the remote Siberian wilderness over a century ago, an event shook the world, the cause of which remains a mystery to this day. This event, known as the Tunguska explosion, occurred in the early morning of June 30th, 1908. Imagine, if you will, a day like any other in the vast, sparsely populated expanse of Siberia. Suddenly the sky lights up brighter and brighter until it's as if a second sun has risen. Then an explosion, a shock wave so powerful it knocks people off their feet and shatters windows up to 60 kilometers away. The Tunguska explosion, named after the Tunguska River near where it occurred, was not just any explosion. It was the most powerful explosion in recorded history. In terms of sheer energy release, it dwarfed the atomic bombs that would be dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki by more than 1,000 times. Yet, unlike those bombings, the Tunguska event left no crater, no evidence of a meteorite or any other discernible source. The effects, however, were all too real. The blast flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest, toppling an estimated 80 million trees like matchsticks. The seismic waves it generated were so powerful they were picked up by barographs in England over 5,000 kilometers away. Yet, despite the scale of the devastation, there is no consensus among scientists about what caused the Tunguska explosion. Some suggest it was an asteroid or a comet that exploded in the Earth's atmosphere. Others propose more exotic theories involving antimatter or even a miniature black hole. But the truth remains elusive. This lack of a concrete explanation, coupled with the event's remote location and the time that has passed since it occurred, has only added to the mystery and intrigue surrounding the Tunguska explosion. And so it remains a topic of fascination, a puzzle that has yet to be solved. An explosion of such magnitude, yet without a crater or any discernible source, is a profound enigma that continues to baffle scientists. To truly grasp the enormity of the Tunguska event, we must compare it to other known explosions. Now, let's take a moment to consider the atomic bombing of Hiroshima, a chilling benchmark in our history. The energy released from the Hiroshima bomb was about 15 kilotons of TNT. That's a staggering amount of power, isn't it? But when we juxtapose this with the Tunguska explosion, the Hiroshima bomb seems almost insignificant. The estimated energy of the Tunguska explosion is thought to be equivalent to 10 to 15 megatons of TNT. Just to give you an idea, 1 megaton is equivalent to 1,000 kilotons. So, the energy unleashed by the Tunguska event was hundreds of times greater than that of the Hiroshima bomb. Quite mind-boggling, isn't it? But the sheer energy isn't the only thing that makes the Tunguska event so awe-inspiring. It's also the extent of damage it caused. The shockwave from Tunguska flattened an estimated 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest. That's an area larger than the City of London. Imagine, if you will, the entire City of London flattened in an instant. The trees in the affected area were felled in a radial pattern away from the blast's epicenter, like matchsticks blown away by a gust of wind. It's also worth noting that the Tunguska event occurred in a sparsely populated region, and thankfully, no human casualties were reported. If such an explosion were to happen over a populated city, the human cost would be unimaginable. In the face of such overwhelming power, even the most destructive man-made weapon seems almost trivial. It's a humbling reminder of the raw, untamed forces that nature can unleash. Even the most destructive weapon ever used in warfare pales in comparison to the Tunguska explosion. With an event as confounding as the Tunguska explosion, theories and speculations abound. Theories surrounding the Tunguska event are as plentiful as they are varied. Some are grounded in scientific reasoning, while others delve into the realm of science fiction. Yet none have managed to conclusively explain the mysterious event. One popular theory is that the Tunguska explosion was caused by a meteor impact. This theory posits that a small asteroid or comet, perhaps 20 to 30 meters in diameter, exploded in the Earth's atmosphere. The resulting shockwave, it's suggested, caused the widespread damage observed. However, despite the popularity of this theory, no impact crater or meteoric remnants have ever been conclusively identified at the site. Another theory, somewhat more fantastical, suggests a visit from extraterrestrial life. Some propose that an alien spacecraft crashed in the Siberian wilderness, causing the massive explosion. Proponents of this theory often point to the absence of a crater or remnants as evidence of an advanced technology beyond our understanding. Yet, as tantalizing as this theory may be, it remains just that, a theory, unsupported by tangible evidence. A third theory, straddling the line between science and science fiction, suggests a mini black hole or a chunk of antimatter may have collided with Earth, causing the explosion. These concepts, while fascinating, are largely theoretical and lack empirical evidence. Some have even suggested that the explosion was a result of a secret experiment by Nikola Tesla, the renowned inventor. They propose that Tesla, testing his death ray, inadvertently caused the Tunguska explosion, yet this theory, like the others, lacks definitive proof. The lack of concrete evidence supporting any of these theories only adds to the enigma of the Tunguska event. It's a mystery that has endured for over a century, and despite numerous investigations and studies, the truth remains hidden. The truth behind the Tunguska explosion remains as elusive as ever. The Tunguska explosion wasn't just a historical incident, it was a wake-up call. Imagine, if you will, a similar explosion occurring today. The scale of devastation would be unimaginable. In the blink of an eye, entire cities could be wiped off the map, millions of lives extinguished. The shockwaves from such an event would reverberate around the world, disrupting global communications, sparking fires, and causing untold chaos. The Tunguska event was a stark reminder that our planet is not isolated from the rest of the universe. It's a part of a cosmic ecosystem, vulnerable to threats from outer space. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? But it's not all doom and gloom. Events like Tunguska also underscore the importance of studying and understanding these celestial phenomena. The more we know about them, the better prepared we can be for any future threats. Scientists around the world are working tirelessly to track and catalogue near-Earth objects, those asteroids and comets that could potentially pose a threat to our planet. Every day, our understanding of these celestial bodies grows, and with it, our ability to predict and potentially prevent a catastrophic event like Tunguska. Moreover, studying events like Tunguska can also provide invaluable insights into the formation and evolution of our own planet. The elements that make up these celestial bodies are often the same as those found on Earth. By studying them, we can better understand our own planet's history and its place in the cosmos. The Tunguska event was a terrifying demonstration of the universe's power, but it was also a call to action. It reminded us of our vulnerability, yes, but it also spurred us to learn, to prepare, and to safeguard our future. In the end, the Tunguska event serves as a stark reminder of the untamed power of the universe. As we look to the stars, let's not forget the lessons of our past, for in those lessons lies the key to our survival. The Tunguska explosion, a century-old mystery, still captivates us with its enigma. This remarkable event, a blip in our planet's vast history, continues to baffle us even today, despite our leaps in scientific understanding. Let's take a moment to revisit the scale of this explosion. The Tunguska event dwarfed even the most devastating man-made explosion, the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The shockwaves from this mysterious event spread across continents, bending and breaking the very fabric of the Earth beneath it. This explosion, happening in the remote wilderness of Siberia, left an impact that was felt thousands of kilometers away. We delved into the myriad theories that have surfaced over the years, each more intriguing than the last. Was it a meteor, a comet, or perhaps, as some speculate, a mini black hole or an alien spaceship? The truth remains elusive, and each theory adds another layer to the enigma that is the Tunguska explosion. We've also explored the potential impact of such an event on our world today. Imagine the devastation if an explosion of this magnitude were to happen in a populated area. The Tunguska event serves as a stark reminder of the immense forces at play in our universe and the potential dangers they pose to our planet. In the grand scheme of things, the Tunguska explosion is a mere speck. Yet, it's a speck that holds immense power, a testament to the unexplainable and the unknown. It's a reminder that despite our advancements, there are still mysteries out there waiting to be discovered, puzzles waiting to be solved. In the quest to unravel the secrets of the universe, the Tunguska explosion remains a fascinating, unsolved puzzle. So keep questioning, keep exploring, and who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one to solve this century-old mystery. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, share and subscribe.